Hello, I'm Scott Moore, visual storyteller and seminar speaker for the American Horse Publications Regional Workshop held in Lexington, Kentucky. I want to do 3 videos for you that'll help you maybe become a better videographer. In the first video, I would like to talk about tools of the trade. What is it that you need to set you apart? Well, the first and most important thing is you need a tripod. Professionals shoot steady shots, and the only way you can do that is with a tripod. So get you a tripod. The next thing I would say is get a light. Let me show you what I mean. It really makes a difference. And the third thing I would suggest you have is a professional microphone. A lavalier, a stick mic, a shotgun, something that you can put on the person or hold up close to the person so you can get good sound.
Alright, so this is David Harris with Protect Your Dog Settles, and this is what it sounds like without the mic. And for very quick, easy comparison, here's what it sounds like with the mic.
Audio is so very important, and you want to make sure that your viewers can understand you and your subjects. Well, I hope this helps, and we'll see you next video.